everybody, it's Tiffany from Totally Tiffany, and I just want to share a few ideas with you about how to organize your supplies in general for scrapbooking, card making, mixed media, any kind of paper crafting actually. The first thing, the most important thing that you need to know before you start choosing organizers is, what kind of crafter are you? If you're someone who crafts at home in your craft room all the time and you never go anywhere else, you need a very different set of organization tools than somebody who always only crafts away from home, right? And then there's everybody in between. Okay, so I'm going to start over here with the scrap rack. The scrap rack is a tool that works for everyone. No matter, because it comes apart, because it's transportable, it's great for people who like to go to events, and it's also visual and accessible and open and available to you if you always craft at home. So the scrap rack is going to put every type of paper, sticker, embellishment that you own at your fingertips. So it's a super easy way to combine and conquer all of those things in your craft room. If you're a stay-at-home crafter, you always craft in your craft room, then you're going to want to look for things like our desk-made product line, right? So each of these products, this is a 6-level organizer, this is the die stamp and supply organizer, this is the 15-inch pen and ink palace. All of these work on your desktop or on your shelf. The big advantage to this type of storage is that everything is visible and everything is accessible. So if you're working at home and you want those Nuvo dots, you can see them, you can grab them. If you're going to do some stamping, you can see the stamps that you have. If you want to grab an embossing folder or a die, they're right here at your fingertips. So stay-at-home crafters, look for containers, storage units that are open and accessible, that are visible and really easy to get to. If you're somebody who crafts at home, but also likes to go to crafting events, then you want to look for storage options that are more portable. At that point, you want to look for things like punch packs. So this is the 1.5-inch punch pack, or buddy bags. So here's two totally different tools for storing washi tape. This is going to hold a ton of washi tape, a rainbow. The small Shelly buddy bag, this is just all Halloween washi tape, right? So easy to organize by rainbow or by theme, holiday, event. Things we talk about when we talk about the 4-section system. Pens and markers, perfect in buddy bags. You can choose the buddy bag whether you use short markers or whether you use tall markers. You've got the Terry and the Deborah buddy bag. You've also got the Denise buddy bag. It's going to hold tons of markers for you. Wood stamps, anything that you can get vertically is really a key to maximizing your space, right? We talk a lot about vertical paper storage because it really maximizes the space and eases the access to your paper. It's no different than things like punches and wood-mounted stamps. I can take these two wood-mounted stamp bags, put them together, put them on the shelf, and now I've got probably 100 stamps in this tiny space. They're visible, they're accessible. I can pull it off the shelf and take it with me to an event or just take it to my workspace. So if you're somebody who crafts at home, look for things that are open and accessible. If you're somebody that travels with your supply, focus on buying organizational tools like buddy bags that you can use at home, but that can also go easily with you in your crop tote to a class or event. Thanks so much for stopping by to learn a little bit about what tools might work for you. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message.